Just finishing my banana. The onigiri is still in the fridge, we haven't heated up. Alright. We're checking out from this villa today. Everyone else is Buta Kakuni, mine is Tuna Mania. Oh, hello, squirrel. OOTD check with a dirty mirror. It's my outfit for today. See you guys in Revolvers. What we ordered. I got a breakfast salad with hot latte, oat milk, and this is a big brekkie that is deconstructed already. He's got a breakfast burger, and this guy got a burrito bowl plus chicken. That looks delicious actually. Look at the guac. Yum. Eat first, guys. How kind of grams, right? Just finished swapping at Revolvers. That one. And we're just walking back to our villa. Oh, I think Frozen Yogi is my favorite yogurt spot the last time. Look at the lamang guys. Iya kalau ada kain, tapi kayaknya dress semua deh. Hey, aku punya ini. Ya, ini boleh deh. Usual. Hopefully I can get some things here too, so that just in case, you know. And This is one of the chabangs. We're walking in now. My feet is hurting like shit, so I'm trying to walk properly as much as I can. Oh god, it hurts. Let's go in. Ooh, we've arrived.
Yang gajinya kuat ya sama kamel ya.
Arriving our third and last villa. 290 meters it says, and we will arrive. The naughty Nuris that we're eating for dinner is quite close, so we're going to eat there for dinner. We're gonna check in first in the villa. Hi guys, this is the third and last villa tour of my trip in Bali. I'm sad, but at least you guys get to see the villa tour of this one. Wait, what am I talking about? Let's just head on in. Villa Safari. Let's go. Ta-da! The view of the villa. First we got this welcome entrance, and then it leads us to an open space out in the dining area for 4 people, because we're 4 of us. And there's a powder room with an extra toilet over there, and we got the kitchen area where we can cook Indomie later for supper. And they give us welcome fruits as well. We can probably blend them with the blender. They got us free dispenser too, so we can just just drink water from there. And an L sofa couch where we can all just chill and relax. And the people also said that we can put on music here, or maybe the home stereo system, I don't know. But we're gonna party later at night after we have some drinks. And next up is the pool area. We got this amazing rectangular pool. I love it because it's like I believe it's the biggest out of all the villas we've stayed so far. And there's a little cute gazebo here where we can chill, you know, we're probably gonna take photos here anyway. Yeah, that's what I like. Move along to the rooms. So here there's 2 bedrooms. First we got the left one, we got the right one. They're basically the same inside. So I think it's a queen size bed. And we got a dressing table here for the ladies. Next up we got a walk-in closet, as you can see. A walk-in closet with a huge mirror. Next is the bathroom, which I like because there's this still the Bali vibes. And you got rain shower, which I love the most. That's the end of the room tour. Oh wait, not yet. Oops. Let's go on to the second room,
and
shall we? Tell you guys, by the pool there is a wash-up shower. You can, rinse yourself after you hop in the pool, which I am definitely gonna swim tonight and maybe tomorrow night. We'll see. This is the second room, the guys' room. It's basically all the same. You got the same room, same bed, same closet, and same toilet. Ooh! Oh, mine's bigger. Okay. Enough for the room. Oh, and last but not least, we've got our own personal tree in the middle of the villa, which is nice. Oh, and it's private because it's like a one villa house, and we've got securities out in front to take care of it. And yeah, that's about it. We're gonna take you on the rest of the day, and I'll see you guys at Nuri's, I guess. Arriving to Nuri's. Yeah, we're having that for dinner. We cannot book the place, so we're going straight there. And first book, first get. Apa sih? Biasa? First come, first serve. You have arrived. Yes, we have arrived. Exactly. Dinner time. Hello. Hello. Why so cute? Bye. Stay safe. My favorite beer. Look at the PE. I'm sorry, but we're eating you. Got some fries, some pineapple drink, and some other flavor. Cassie, damn, look at this gorgeousness. Yeah, I love coffee. Heavy rain, guys.